Here, and I just want to let you guys know what's going on as far as like stable coins. I'm actually making a switch from USD Tether to USDC, which is pretty much Coinbase stable coin. The reason why the reason why I'm switching is because it's just more easier for me as far as from a tax standpoint, right? Instead of me buying Bitcoin and then send it to exchange, and then the Bitcoin price goes up or down, and then when I do that exchange for a different cryptocurrency, that's a taxable event, right? So just to make things easier, I'm just going to use the USDC coin that Coinbase offers. It was created by two companies, Coinbase and a company called Circle. So I feel confident in this stable coin other than USD Tether. Tether is another stable coin that's backed by the dollar. Supposedly it was, but that has changed as we go to the USD Tether website. So it's the same concept. It's a stable coin, just like Coinbase stable coin, right? So the big fuss with Tether is, it says right here, they made the switch, right? It used to be 100% backed by the USD dollar, but they updated their website. Now everybody's talking about it, and people's talking about this part here. Every Tether is always 100% backed by our reserves, which include traditional currency and cash equivalents, right? Cash equivalents, that's the key word there. And from time to time may include other assets and receivables from loans made by Tether to third parties, which may include affiliated entities, collectively reserves, right? So that caused a lot of big fuss in the cryptocurrency space. So, just to be on the safe side for me, I'm just going to go with a reputable company like Coinbase. Coinbase headquarters in San Francisco. I stay in Sacramento, so if I have an issue, I could just easily drive to San Francisco and drive to Coinbase headquarters and be like, "Hey guys, what's going on with my digital stablecoin money that's in USD, right?" And just easily get the results resolved. USD Tether, I don't even know where this company is based out, honestly, to be honest with you. Let's see where they're based at. Let's go to contact us. It will show us here. Contact Tether support email. So yes, so they're based in Hong Kong, right? So they're based in Hong Kong. So I just feel more comfortable with a United States company with their stable coin. So like I said, you always use USD, always use Coinbase as well. So it just makes everything easier for me. So that's why I'm making this switch. I don't got time for something to happen with USD Tether and all of a sudden you can't pull out your money, right? I just don't got the time for that. So Coinbase is what it is. As you guys can see here, you go to the website. So www.coinbase.com/USDC. If you guys want to check out the link to get more information about how their stablecoin works. And then as you go to the Coinbase wallet, I don't know if you have Coinbase or not. I definitely use it because it's just easier for everything as far as transactions to happen. It's by far one of the easiest place to buy crypto, right? Coinbase, everybody knows that. So as we go to accounts and scroll down to my wallets, you're going to see USDC wallet here, and then all you got to do is transfer your $100 that you got and buy it with and exchange it with the USDC stable coin, and you're going to get $100 just like that. Coinbase is going to take a fee from that transaction, right? That's another thing a lot of people complain about, but it's pretty much just transferring your physical dollar to a digital USDC dollar, right? It's just the same thing. That's the concept. So with that said, I just wanted to throw that out there, give my 2 cents about it while I'm making the switch. Like I said, from a tax standpoint as well, just makes everything easier. I could just send my USDC to my Binance exchange, which I done the other day. It got there instantly, like literally, it got there in like 10 minutes in my exchange. So it was actually quicker than the Bitcoin network, which is pretty odd. So with that said, guys, Marcus Arm out of here. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Go ahead and watch my Tron vlog after the end of this video. I just produced it and I hope you guys enjoy it. With that said, I'm out.